Hello everybody and welcome, and in this one we are going to be talking about how you can fix the blue box issue in Roblox. So most of the time what is happening is that, let's say I'm moving my character and suddenly this weird type of blue box just appeared onto our screen, and now when I tend to move my character you can see the blue box moving instead of the character. The fix is pretty simple. So basically this is the UI selection toggle that is enabled, and it has a specific key on your keyboard. You need to disable that. Simply press escape on your keyboard. Now head over to your help section to check out that which particular key is assigned to UI selection toggle, and you can see currently it is set to backslash. So once we head back to our game, you can see when I press backslash, the UI selection toggle is no more available and we can move our character or car easily. So let me just demonstrate to you as well, so you can see we are free to move. Okay, so let's just say you want to permanently disable that. Simply press escape, head over to settings, scroll a little bit down, and you can see we have this option of UI navigation toggle and currently set to on. So we can simply press this arrow keys to switch it off, and now it is permanently disabled. So that's a pretty simple process. If you found this tutorial helpful, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.